Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's time to dye my hair again. As you can see, see the difference between my roots and the rest. I had dyed this part to match my roots, but it's been a while and it's faded, so we're gonna be fixing that today. This time we're gonna be trying something different though. I actually got sent a package from Overtone, and they have sent me their Espresso Brown Coloring Conditioner. I have used this before. I think I used it about a year or two, I think 2 years ago. I put it directly on like platinum blonde hair and I did like the color, but I'm also very curious to see how it's gonna look now that I'm doing it like on darker hair, obviously. And if I remember correctly, like I feel like this matched my roots really well. So I'm actually thinking that I'm only gonna dye this lighter part and not even touch the roots, so I can really see if it is like the perfect match for my natural hair color. And I'm excited because not only do I have like the coloring conditioner, but I also have their daily conditioner, so this will be great to maintain the color so it doesn't, you know, fade as fast as I wash it. And then they also sent me the remedy for fine hair. It's a colorless hair mask. I have very fine hair, so I'm very excited to try this as well. And lastly, they sent me the Revitalizer Hair Growth and Fortifying Elixir, because I think I'm finally gonna try to let my hair grow out. Like, I do really enjoy having short hair, but I don't know. I'm just kind of feeling like it's time maybe for me to try to grow my hair out. And my hair has been growing pretty fast, as you can see by the roots, but I don't know. I just feel like this is gonna help so that it's like strong and that the ends aren't breaking. Because I feel like that's something that a lot of people say, like when they bleach their hair, they're like, oh, my hair doesn't grow when I bleach it, or just when I keep dyeing it. And your hair is growing, or else you wouldn't have to touch up your roots so often. However, if your hair is just like weak and brittle, the ends are gonna keep, you know, breaking off. And so the length of your hair doesn't really change and it feels like your hair isn't growing. So my goal is to keep my hair as healthy as possible to help it grow out. So let's get started. I'm so excited to be filming in my newly renovated bathroom. Well, not renovated like a super renovation, but like I did a little makeover. It's my last video on my channel, I think, or maybe 2 videos ago, but here's kind of how it's looking. If you haven't seen the video, you should check it out. It's a long one, but I'm really proud of this makeover, honestly, because I did it all myself and it was very hard and it took like a month and a half, but I think it turned out really cute. All right, now let me change into my hair shirt. All right, as usual, I'm gonna section my hair. I usually do it, you know, half and half here. I do this front part and take this side and split it here. And then do the same thing on this side, like this. I don't know why I tried doing that with my left hand. My snap is not very loud with my left. That's better. Anyway, I've sectioned my hair. I'm gonna start here at the bottom. Don't forget gloves, especially with dark colors. I also should move my rug that's under me because it's white. Since I'm using this color exactly, like I'm not diluting or anything, I'm gonna use it straight out of the tub. Yeah, it's kind of hard to open it with gloves, so one sec. Also, I feel like I already said this in like my last 2 videos, but just in case you only watched the hair videos, I do have Invisalign on now. So if I'm speaking weird or have a lisp, that's why. I feel like I just need to say that because people are gonna be like, what is going on? All right, here's our color. Looks dark brown. Let's see how closely it matches my hair. Now, I'm sure I won't get it perfect. Like, I'm probably gonna put some on my natural hair, especially because today I'm attempting to do this without a mirror behind me. So we'll see. The mirror I used to put like at an angle, I finally hung it up on a wall. So now it's kind of weird to keep like taking it down to do that. But I think from all my years of doing this, like I can do it without looking. All right, let's do this. I'm gonna just go layer by layer, as usual. Honestly, like, I don't really care if I get on my natural hair, like down here. It's more so on top that I want to see. So I don't have to be too careful here. Also, even if I get on my natural hair, it's not a big deal because I'm not bleaching it or anything with this. We're just depositing color and it'll wash away. maybe should have put some Vaseline around. I'm not used to doing dark colors. I'm so used to my pastel shades that don't stain my skin at all. But, I'm sure it'll be fine. Last piece right here. When I first apply the dye, it looks like it's gonna be lighter than my natural hair. Like, I don't know if you guys can see that. But on this side, that it's already been there for a while, I feel like now it's starting to match. So like it darkens with time. If it looks weird and the color is like really different, I'll probably just go back in like on my roots and stuff. But I have a feeling it'll be fine. So I just want to do a little experiment, you know? And we'll see. So I'm gonna leave this in for a little bit. I forget how much Overtone says to leave it on for. I don't have my glasses on right now and my eyesight has gotten really bad and the font is so tiny. I want to say it's like 15 minutes or 30 minutes. I'll probably leave it like 30 minutes to an hour. I just like to do that because I see these, you know, coloring conditioners as like basically a hair mask because they make my hair feel so nice. So I'm just gonna leave it in for a little while and then rinse it. And then we'll see how it looks. So here's how it looks straight. I am about to style it, you know, do some waves, but I figured I'd show you guys straight first. Such a pretty color. I mean, honestly, it matches my natural color so well. Like right here, see, this is natural. And then it goes into the espresso brown and I think it's perfect. But yeah, I'm gonna go style my hair quickly and then I'll show you guys how it looks. So here's how it looks styled. I feel like I'm still struggling a little bit with curling my hair this short. It's hard, but I think I'm getting a little better. I don't know, but here's what it looks like. You guys like it? I do like that with the curls. It gives me some more volume because my hair is very fine, very flat. So yeah, I don't usually have any volume and this helps a little bit. Yeah, I'm really happy with this color. Let me know what you guys think. Do you think it matches my roots perfectly or not? I am so glad that I have the daily conditioner so that I can maintain this color and it could last a really long time. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!